Hello again. In the new video, in a series of videos, I will teach you how to do affiliate marketing and how to start your online business. In the last video, we found a product called Custom Keto Diet and I drove you through the affiliate tools page. I hope you have a Clickbank account and you did your homework that you can find in the description of the previous video, which was to create a Clickbank account, of course. In this video, we will build a so-called funnel, which will be like a squeeze page funnel. So you will have like an opt-in page where we will use their lead magnet to drive people to get us their email address. We will not have a thank you page, but after the successful opt-in on the opt-in page, they will be redirected to our affiliate link. So first thing we need to do is copy the affiliate link. For this case, you can use whatever you want. I will use this Facebook compliant link, which is this one, the last one. I will copy it. And when I go to my marketplace on Clickbank, you can see the first in the URL, the first part of the URL is your Clickbank account username. So in order for your link to work, you need to change the XXX part with your actual username. So in my case, I will open a Notes application or whatever you use, and I will put here my affiliate link and I will replace Access with my hop link. In order for this to, we don't need to beautify this because we will just redirect to it. So save this link into a safe place. While we are on the page, we will find a lead magnet here. So click here to download that. You will get this beautiful recipe book, which you can give in exchange for the email they will give you. And we can use it just like that, or in one of the next videos I can show you how you can edit this PDF in order to add links to your landing page. So download this to your computer. I will download it in here so we can use it later. So in order to build our landing page, we will use a free system. It's not free, but it's totally free for up to 2,000 contacts. I will show you their pricing. It's very nicely laid out. As you can see, in the free tier, which is forever free, you can have 2,000 contacts. You can send unlimited emails. You can have free sales funnels with each having 10 steps. You can also have blogs and courses, automation rules, which we will use in the next video, or workflows. You can tag your contacts, you can send email campaigns or everything else you need. And you can have one custom domain. For the purposes of this series, I will not use a custom domain, but will probably have a video on my channel that explains how to do this. So in order to follow along, and I urge you to follow along and build this as I build it, please go to the link in the description and you just click on Get Started for free and you can create your free account. After you created your free account, log in and you will see a dashboard like this. I also have a brand new account, so there is no clutter when we go through this. So what we need to do is build a funnel. A funnel is basically one or more web pages where you lead the customer through. So for example, the easiest example of a funnel is like a squeeze page funnel, where it has a squeeze page or landing page with an opt-in form in which you collect the email, and on the next step is like a thank you page. Then you can have, we will not land on the thank you page, we will redirect to the offer immediately after the opt-in. But thank you page is used in a so-called bridge funnel, where you can on the thank you page have a thank you for their email and then have like a small short video of explaining what will happen next when they click the button below the video, which takes them to your affiliate link or the affiliate offer. We will keep it simple for this series, so we will just build a squeeze page. So you can go to funnels. It will look like this, and in the upper right corner you will click create. We will call it a keto diet funnel, for example. The domain, we will not use custom domain, so you do not need to add anything, and you can just click build an audience. The currency is not that important because we will not use anything to buy on our site, but you can change it to whatever currency you want. And when you click create, you will have system.io will create two pages, a squeeze page and a thank you page. We will not use a thank you page, so we can delete it at this moment. We can always add it later. If I add a bridge funnel tutorial, I will show you. And we can now choose any of those beautifully already pre-designed templates which we can use. If you go to the affiliate tools page, we can see there have this squeeze page lender, which you can see here. What we want to do is see how the DRX landing page looks like, so where they will come after they opt in on our, and we need to make it congruent, so a similar colors and fonts. So we will use something bluish here. So go to the system.io and we will find one with a big image. I will use this one, okay? You just click select. You can name this as you want, and you can change this to something like keto diet, for example, and you will have this URL path. Click this green button to save the step, and we will click edit page to edit the step. When we go into the funnel step, there are a few things we want to do. We want to change this image to something related to our offer. So we can go to Google and search for keto recipes, for example, and go to images and find like a nice image of something that looks amazing. We can go to pexels.com, which is a library of totally free, royalty-free images, and search for keto and have these beautiful images. For this example, we can use this one. Upload not too big image, but not too small as well. So it's now downloaded. If you want to change the background image, you can, as you can see on the left hand, we can delete this one and upload our own. We can now insert that image, and this page already looks amazing. One thing that I wanted to show you on the bottom, you cannot, if you use the free plan, you cannot remove this powered by system.io, but this is a good thing because this is your affiliate link, and if somebody clicks here and buys the product in the future, you will get some commission. So we need to now, where is it? Here. So they have, this is called serif font, and they have some kind of a non-serif. You can go full in detail and inspect it and see which font family this is in the inspector. As you can see, it's Poppins, but usually Poppins or Montserrat works the same, and you can change the overall font here and just say Poppins. It seems I need to override the font on this headline. So we can go and say, because it was already set, so we will use Poppins, and for this we will also use, and this is also Poppins, and this. So for the text on the button and for the button color, as you can see, this is really straightforward. You just look for the text in the sidebar. So button text is send me the free ebook, because this is what we are sending. And for the color, I would use some bluish color to be congruent with the landing page they will end up to. It's all up to you. The free keto recipe ebook, free keto recipes ebook. So I would use like some Get Free Keto Recipes ebook, enter your name and email address to receive the free keto recipes ebook, and they will enter their name and email. And one important thing, for the action of the button, we will not go to the next step but to a custom URL and put a redirection URL as our affiliate link. Okay, we can click Save Changes and exit. The next step we need to do is set up automation rules. So basically, when something happens, when they enter their email and name, we need to add them to a so-called mail list. So before we do that, we need to create a new campaign. They call it campaign. So go to emails, campaigns, and we will create a new campaign called Keto Diet. We will add contacts into this campaign as they go through the funnel. So go back to your funnel. You can click your funnel and go to automation rule and click add rule. So you can add rule trigger funnel step form subscribed. Click on it, and when that rule is triggered, we need to add an action, and the action is subscribe to campaign, and we will choose campaign that we created earlier called Keto Diet. Save rule. Okay, so this is now ready to be tested. So we will go into view funnel, and I will enter my email name and email and click send me the free ebook. And if everything went fine, as you can see, we are redirected to our affiliate link. And if you go to contacts, you will see we have this email there, and it's connected to the Keto Diet email campaign. That's it for today's video. For homework, I want you to go into the Facebook group or in the comments of this video and paste the links to your finished funnels. I want to see that you took action and you actually built this together with me, because if you don't do that, you will never start making money online. See you in the next video and stay tuned.